Hi Andy, welcome to our channel. In this video, there are two practice papers. One subtraction of two-digit numbers without carrying. First one example 86 minus 42. First, we subtract the ones. 6 ones minus 2 ones equal to 4 ones. We write 4 here. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Again, subtract the tens place. 8 tens minus 4 tens equal to 4 tens. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. 86 minus 42 equal to 44. Remaining all problems, you complete the seeing that example. The next paper, carrying or borrowing subtraction. Example, 64 minus 18. Whenever we subtract, first we see the ones place. Above number is big or small. When above number is big, no need to borrowing. If above number is small, then we take borrowing from tens place. Here 4 is small number, 8 is big number. So we cannot take away 8 ones from 4 ones. Now we take borrowing from 6. Now 6 will become 5 tens. 4 will become 14. 110 adding with 4 ones. So here 4 will become 14. Now 8 subtract from 14. We didn't have 14 fingers. So now we count backward counting. We take 8 fingers. Here 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 14 back. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 8 subtract from 14, we got 6. We write 6 here. Now 5 tens here, 1 10 here. We subtract 1 from 5, we got 4. 64 minus 18 equal to 46. This is the one method. Another method also I will say. This is backward method. Now I will say forward method. Example, 64 minus 18. As it is, we didn't subtract 8 from 4, so we take borrowing from 6. 6 will become 5, 4 will become 14. Now all fingers closed. We start from 8 up to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six fingers. We got 6. So we write here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 or 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now in tens place 1 subtract from 5. So 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5. Now 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers opened. Now answer is 4. 64, 18, 46. 64 minus 18 equal to 46. So this method is backward counting method. This method is forward counting method. This is the practice paper. For doing subtractions, we can use any of these methods to solve these problems. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.